they were just allowing us to do everything on free mode, everything, and we were enjoying. And these people did not tell us that they are going to turn most of their features on pro. They just woke up one morning and all we are just seeing is pro. Both their background removal, their caption, like a whole lot of things are on pro. But in this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to get the CapCut Pro feature for free and how to use your CapCut Pro for free. So let's dive into this video. Hi, I'm Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time of coming across this page, you're welcome. And on this page, I will teach you all you need to know about growing on your YouTube, editing, making money online, and also faceless. In fact, everything you can think of on YouTube, you are gonna find this on this page. So what are you waiting for? Do want to subscribe to join this wonderful community. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your video in CapCut Pro for free, how you are going to get it for free. And trust me, the quality of your video is still going to come out looking good, clean, and nice. Like this video, is it not looking clean? Is it not looking nice? Don't you like what you see? So this is what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So let's dive fully into this video. So now for this tutorial, we are going to go into the CapCut app because I want to show you guys how you guys can use CapCut Pro for free. Now you will click on new project and import the project that you want to import into the CapCut. Now this is the project I want to import into the CapCut. So I'm going to be doing the editing and everything. So if you are still at this point of the video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a nice and wonderful comment. So now I'm going to be doing all the necessary touches I normally do on my video before we now dive into the pro faction. I just want to take you guys along with me. But before I dive into the pro version, I want to do my color grading. So if you want me to make a separate video on how I color grade my videos, then please do well to leave the comments in the comment section, and I'm going to show you guys how I color grade my video. But hold on, let me color grade my video. Guys, I'm done with color grading my video. If you guys can see, the first clip and the second clip is not the same because I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I didn't color grade. Why doing the recording. So now I'm going to be taking you guys how to use the CapCut Pro feature. For example, you all know that for you to use the caption, it is very hard. Now let's create a caption for this video. Now let's create a caption for this video. I'm going to click on caption. So as you can see now, the CapCut caption is on pro. Now when you want to create a caption, you will click on caption. When you click on caption, you click on this bad X, you click on it and it removes. You're going to see add caption, auto caption, caption template, auto release, and import caption. You are going to click on caption template. Now you can see there are some on pro, then you have to go for the one that doesn't have pro in it. Or now for the purpose of this video is a pro video, so we are going to click on this one so it can generate the caption. Then you will click on generate caption. You're going to wait for it to load. if you are a CapCut user like me, you will know that most of all the features on CapCut is on Pro, which is not quite right, because if you can remember, when this app came out newly, they were just allowing us to, when this app came, now you can see we have done the Pro features. Now let's go back to, we have done the Pro features. Let's go to another of their, let's use another of their features that is on Pro again. For example, now this relight is on Pro. Now we are going to be using, let's use, click on good. Let's say you have used all the Pro features to get, let's say you have used all the Pro features to get what you want to get. Then you are going to enlarge this. When you enlarge this, then you are going to screen record. You are going to screen record. Hold on. You are going to screen record. When you screen record, after screen recording the video, you will come and click on new project. You are going to import that video that you screen recorded. Hold on. After screen recording, you are going to import the video you screen recorded. Then you are going to come and click on aspect ratio. You will now click the size of a YouTube channel. Then when you click the size of a YouTube channel, you have to enlarge the video. You have to enlarge the video for it to fit. Then see, you can see now it's now fitted. Then after enlarging the video on the Pro features, this app came. Now after enlarging the video, you click back on that video again. You will now go to adjust. You will now click on sharpen. You will now increase the sharpening of your video and increase it, and you will get a clear video. So now this is it. You can see we have done the Pro. So this is it on how to use the CapCut Pro for free to get a clean, clear and crispy video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is how you are going to be editing your video in the CapCut Pro, and you are going to be using the Pro features for free. I just pray that this one would come and cancel this our escape will, because if they do, we are really in big trouble. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.